Searching for the absolute best tech and gadgets of 2025? You've landed in the perfect spot to discover the game-changing electronics that will redefine your year. We've meticulously evaluated countless innovations to bring you 5 truly exceptional products that stand above the rest. You can easily find links to purchase these incredible items in the video description below, so you can grab them before anyone else. First up, number 1. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro dramatically raises the bar for mobile photography and boasts an unprecedented battery life that feels almost limitless. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a smartphone revolution that fits right in your pocket. Next, prepare to be absolutely stunned by number 2. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra delivering a display experience so vibrant and an S Pen so intuitive, it sets an unparalleled new standard for flagship Android devices. Its multitasking prowess is truly mind-blowing. Then, we immerse ourselves in pure audio bliss with number 3. The Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. Offering noise cancellation so eerily effective, it creates your own private sanctuary of sound. These aren't just headphones, they're an escape from the ordinary. Our fourth unmissable pick, number 4. The MacBook Air M4 proves that astonishing power can exist within an impossibly thin and light design, effortlessly handling demanding professional tasks with days of battery life. The M4 chip's performance is nothing short of miraculous. Finally, brace yourself for number 5. The PlayStation 5 Pro pushing the boundaries of gaming with breathtaking 8K visuals and virtually instantaneous load times that will completely transform your virtual worlds. Get ready for an immersive experience more dramatic and realistic than anything you've ever seen. These are more than just gadgets, they're the future of technology, available for you today. Don't miss out on these top electronics.